There you have it, folks. Back together and purring. I'm just finishing to burp the coolant system, and then over there I've got the automatic transmission fluid that's going in the power steering reservoir. Once these guys are all set, let's see if the engine is warmed up yet. It looks warmed up to me. Air-fuel ratios are a little on the rich side, but it's warmed up. Let's go over here and check oil pressure and oil temperature. Looks like the oil pressure is around 40, a little higher maybe. Oil temperature is starting to warm up. See how you guys are doing up here. Our steering looks good. Let's go over here and check on the coolant again. Coolant looks like it's burping nicely. All right. All done.